Someone left me a hilarious voicemail. Want to hear it? I've got a tip though. Let me show you how to forward a voicemail to share with someone else. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Quick tips like these at cyberguy.com, where you can sign up for my free newsletter. This is a really good one. When you forward a voicemail, it gets shared as an audio clip without a transcript. Here is how to do it. On iPhone, go to the phone app, then click on the voicemail in the bottom right corner. Find the voicemail you want, then tap the share button, which has that arrow button pointing out of the top little square or rectangle. From there, you can choose how to send it, and wow, there are so many easy options. Share it by AirDrop to someone in front of you, inside messages to someone else, in an email. It's your choice. I find messages works the best for me though. On Android, for many models, open the phone app, tap voicemail, expand the voicemail, and tap the send arrow. Choose the app you want to use to send it. Pro tip here, got a really important voicemail message you want to keep for a long time? Email it to yourself, then you'll have it in your email too. At cyberguy.com, you can click this little red button to sign up for my free CyberGuy Report newsletter.